Mohan will be presenting his final speech on the team collaboration path. And he's actually our first member of our club to complete a path, so it's very exciting to see somebody moving all the way through. In today's speech, he'll be discussing this first pathway's journey, how he started, what he learned, where he applied his knowledge, some successes, and some challenges. Let us welcome Mohan Padamati to share his pathway's journey. Mohan.
I joined Talk It Up Toastmasters on July 1st, 2011. I will be completing 10 years in 27 days from today. When I joined this club, my objective was only to stand in front of 10 people, 100 people, 200 people and speak confidently. After a few years, my objectives kept on changing. By 2015, I wanted to grow in corporate ladder in my organization. I took a white paper and pen, wrote what are my objectives then. In addition to improving my presentation skills, I also wrote down collaborative leadership. The role I took in my company, which is business development. No one reports to me, though I manage millions of business. Only way I can meet my objective is collaboration. That's when I picked team collaboration as my pathways, number one pathways. I picked another one, dynamic leadership, because I am also a member of Talking Tomorrow Together. Coming back to team collaboration, I started my first project in January 2020. I looked at level 1. Every pathway starts with icebreaker. Icebreaker is very easy, but I did not want to tell how I came all the way from India to US, which I did in 2011 or 12. I picked a separate topic who inspired me in my growth. I picked 3 people, gave my presentation. It went very well. Next one was giving a speech on any topic, take the feedback, work on the feedback, come back and give the same speech to complete level 1 with one more speech on research. I thought level 1 was very easy. The agenda of April sessions, I realized that I did not make much progress. That's when I focused on level 2. Level 2 is understanding your leadership style. By then, I was clear that I was more of a service type and collaborative leadership type leader. I thought I was doing well. By the time I reached June end, I got an advice from Kate that Mohan, if you can skip by few more weeks, club gets the credit. My level 2 from June, it went to July, first week, this Toastmaster year, which is July 1st, 2020 through 2021, June 30, we are last month of current Toastmaster year. Level 1, level 2 were very simple for me, starting from 2011, July 1st, because I am also a member of other club. I took Division E, director role. One day I sat and wrote, how can I bring my leadership role and align the requirements of level 3, level 4 and level 5. It was not easy. But level 3, some projects were correlated with my Division E leadership, wherein I had to interact with other division leaders, A through G, and lot of area directors. In addition to those people, there were lot of sessions organized by district leadership. To name few, officers training. I thought initially only 2 or 3 training sessions will be conducted. But after few sessions, district leadership came back to me, Mohan, can you please organize some of the training sessions? They call it makeup training sessions. Members who could not make it to regular training sessions, there were additional opportunities designed to facilitate those members and complete officer training requirements. That's when real collaboration challenges came up. I took one role to organize complete session. I made phone calls to more than 20 people. Only 4 people came back. Mohan, I'm available, sign me up. After 2 weeks, out of 4, 2 dropped out. Mohan, I have to go to another session, sorry. I took agenda. There were more than 16 people required to organize any makeup session. It was not easy. I went back to district leadership and asked for the help. Andrew Watt told me, Mohan, write down 2-3 points, you work on them. I did. I went to Aki Aishi, who is still our district director. He gave me few points. I went to few DTMs, distinguished Toastmasters, asked for the help. In addition to that, I sent more than 20 emails to different people, leaders. Some members, they did not like my emails. They told me, Mohan, I don't have that much time to read your 1-page emails. Text me. I tried texting also. What I learned, how I communicate through emails, because people don't have time to read those emails. They are good at text messages. I tried that. Some people liked talking on phone, which I did. Some people, no discussion, nothing, Mohan, just send me action. I'm ready to support any role that you want. I experimented with all the communication methods. I learned a great lesson. You need to have a lot of patience to collaborate, because some of them are motivated to go and speak. Some of them are interested to work with people, but sometimes if scope is not clear, exactly what is the role you are asking them to play, not many people come and support you. By level 3, I was almost confident of completing level 5 by March 31st. But when I opened level 4 and level 5 projects and requirements, I realized that I missed major element, which is planning. If you don't plan your work, there is a 90% probability of failure. I took again one more white paper and wrote what are the level 4 projects and what are the level 5 projects. Fortunately, one of the online sessions that I organized for training officers helped me. Initially, I assumed that I had to complete level 4 to go to level 5. But I came to know through Philip that we can always go forward, do one project and come back. That was really helpful. That's when I completed level 5 projects in advance, then kept level 4 project wherein project asked me to create a team, form a team, give the objective, sit with the team, work the project, plan the project, discuss with them, put a schedule and work on the plan, write down the lessons learned. At the end, come back and present what I achieved and what are the challenges. That's when I realized if you don't plan, you may go through a lot of hurdles and you need to ask for extension of the project, or if there is a deadline, you may as well miss the project. When I was doing level 4, I realized that working with different personalities is not easy. The way my officers at Talking Tomorrow Together responded was entirely different when I interact with them on regular work related project. They were very aggressive on work related objective. When it came to Toastmasters, because it is a non-profit organization, at the same time they thought it is a free effort. For me to motivate them, it took almost few weeks to exactly understand what do they like, what are their objectives in Toastmasters. I had to change my plan. I had to change my objective to align with their requirements so that they come back to me and collaborate with me to complete my project. That is the reason I took 3 more months to complete level 4 and level 5 as against the previously planned agenda. I would like to share few lessons about my team collaboration journey. Plan your work in advance. Otherwise, there are lot of hurdles that may stop you from meeting your objectives. Always ask for the help if you are struggling somewhere or you are stuck at certain point. District 53 leadership extends their help whenever you ask for the help. One last point. Go through all levels, level 1 through level 5. List down all the projects and plan your work, because some of the projects you cannot just complete by giving a speech. You have to work with the team. Some projects require few weeks to few months to complete. Thank you very much. I enjoyed this team collaboration pathways. I learned a lot from this club. I learned other things where I could collaborate and delegate the work and get my work done through other clubs and other divisions. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohan. Some great advice in there. Congratulations on completing level 5. Great accomplishment.